Now once you have the vehicle raised and supported off the frame, we now want to go ahead and use a jack to support the rear axle. So you're going to have two forms of support, one for the frame of the vehicle and then one for the axle. I'm just going to put a little bit of slight pressure just to support the rear, just until it snugs up, and that's it. Using your 18mm wrench on the inside and a 15 on the out, go ahead and remove that bolt. Let's go ahead and remove this upper bolt with a 15mm socket as well. Remove the bolt, remove the shock. Go ahead and take the new shock, slide it up into place. We went ahead and cleaned our bolt and put some anti-seize on it. We're going to go ahead and put that bolt back in. We're just going to get it started a few threads. We do the same with the lower bolt. Line that up, work it in. For some reason, if this does not line up with the shock, we can then go ahead and use the jack we have under the axle to lift or lower that so it lines up. Push the bolt through. I'm going to go ahead and get that nut started. I'm just going to go ahead and snug up the lower bolt. Let's go ahead and snug up the upper bolt. I'm going to torque the upper shock bolt to 80 foot-pounds. I'm going to torque the lower bolt to 85 foot-pounds. Once we have the shock installed, we can now go ahead and remove the jack that we had on the rear axle.